If you're looking to share your desktop screen with CrankWheel, you're in the right place. This quick explainer will walk you through everything you need to know, and I promise it won't take long. By the end of this video, you'll know how to use CrankWheel efficiently, but stick around because I'll also introduce a couple of alternatives that might actually work better for your needs. So let's dive right in. First off, CrankWheel is a tool designed to make sharing your screen during a call or a presentation super easy. To get started, head to the CrankWheel website and sign up for an account. It's a straightforward process, and once you're signed up, you can immediately start sharing your screen. Next thing, once logged in, you'll be presented with a simple interface. If you're in the middle of a call or demo, click on Share Screen from the dashboard. It will prompt you to either share your entire desktop or just a specific window. For most cases, choosing the entire desktop is a safe bet, especially if you're switching between multiple programs. The fourth thing to consider is CrankWheel's compatibility. It's web-based, so you don't need to download any software, making it super convenient for both you and your clients. This is a huge plus as it removes the barriers of installation or OS compatibility that other tools might require. But let's talk about performance. When you share your desktop with CrankWheel, the quality is generally very good. However, there can be occasional lag depending on your internet connection and the resources of the device you're using. CrankWheel claims to offer a stable connection even with lower bandwidth, but it's always best to check your network beforehand to avoid any hiccups. Another thing to be aware of is that CrankWheel offers a limited free trial. While the free trial can be useful for getting started, the premium features, like unlimited screen sharing and integrations with CRM tools, are locked behind a paywall. You'll definitely get value out of the free version, but if you want to scale your screen sharing, you'll need to look at a paid plan. Here's the catch: while CrankWheel does the job for many people, it's not always the best option for everyone. If you're looking for a more comprehensive solution with more customization, you might want to check out other software options. For instance, Zoom is an obvious contender, as it offers excellent desktop sharing features along with a ton of other meeting tools. However, Zoom can sometimes feel overwhelming with its multitude of options and settings. The same goes for Microsoft Teams. While it's a powerful tool, the screen sharing experience isn't always as smooth as CrankWheel's. Teams can sometimes feel clunky, and its interface is definitely designed more for enterprise use rather than quick, simple screen sharing. Now, here's the good part. I'm recommending something that's not just another screen sharing tool, but one that might actually align better with your goals. If you're serious about improving your screen sharing experience and avoiding the limitations of CrankWheel, we've got a great alternative for you. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Not only does this alternative offer excellent desktop sharing, but it's also a more polished experience with a smoother interface and more features that make your calls and presentations shine. To wrap it up, CrankWheel is a solid choice for quick and easy desktop sharing, but depending on your needs, there are other tools out there that might suit you even better. Don't forget to check out our link for the best free trial of this awesome alternative.